Dear students, welcome to maths class. Today we are studying about the quotient test. Let sigma un and sigma vn be two series with non-negative terms, and suppose that rho equal to limit n tends to infinity un by vn. Then if rho is finite and rho is greater than 0, then the series both converge or both diverge. And the second condition is if rho equal to 0 and sigma vn converges, then sigma un converges. And the third condition is if rho equal to plus infinity and sigma vn diverges, then sigma un diverges. Okay. This theorem is very important. Please write down on your notebook. Which of the following series converge and which diverge? Our first question is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 9 plus 7 by 16 plus 9 by 25 plus etc. This can be written as sigma n equal to 1 to infinity. On numerator you can see 3, 5, 7, 9 etc. All are odd numbers. Therefore its general form is 2n plus 1. And on the denominator it is n plus 1 the whole square. If n equal to 1, then it is 2 square, that is 4. When n equal to 2, it is 3 square, that is 9. Therefore, this can be written as sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 2n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 square, which is equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 2n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 square can be written as n square plus 2n plus 1. Here Vn equal to 1 by n, sigma n equal to 1 to infinity Vn equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n, which is diverges. Now limit n tends to infinity un by Vn is equal to limit n tends to infinity 2n square plus n divided by n square plus 2n plus 1. Dividing both numerator and denominator with n square, then limit n tends to infinity 2n square plus n divided by n square, the whole divided by n square plus 2n plus 1 divided by n square. That is limit n tends to infinity 2 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 2 by n plus 1 by n square. When limit n tends to infinity, then 1 by n becomes 0. Therefore, its final answer is 2. We know that 2 is greater than 0. Therefore, sigma un diverges. Our second question is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 15 plus etc. This can be written as sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. Let un equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1 and vn equal to 1 by 2 raised to n. Since sigma n equal to 1 to infinity vn equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 raised to n, which is converges. Limit n tends to infinity un by vn equal to limit n tends to infinity 2 raised to n divided by 2 raised to n minus 1. Dividing both numerator and denominator with 2 raised to n, then limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to n. When n tends to infinity, 1 by 2 raised to n becomes 0. Therefore, final answer is 1, which is greater than 0. Sigma un converges by quotient rule. Please write down on your notebook. If you have any doubt, then please write on the comment box below. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel.